Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about ear anatomy. Here you can see at the side the diagram of ear anatomy, and now let's start a topic with introduction. Ear is a complex organ that is responsible for hearing and balance. It is divided into three main sections that are the external ear, middle ear and inner ear. Each part plays a crucial role in sound transmission and equilibrium. Now let's talk about anatomy of ear. It has three important parts: external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. And now we will talk about them one by one in detail. First, we will talk about external ear. External ear consists of auricle, external auditory canal, and tympanic membrane. This auricle is visible part of the ear that is made up of elastic cartilage that is covered by skin. It collects sound waves and directs them into the external auditory canal, which is lined with hair and creminous gland that produce earwax to protect against debris and infection. Then we have the tympanic membrane that separates the external ear from the middle ear, and it also vibrates in response to sound waves and transmits mechanical energy to the middle ear. Now we will talk about the middle ear, that is after the external ear. It is air filled cavity that is located within the temporal bone. It contains three small bones or that are called ossicles, that are malleus, incus and stapes. Malleus is attached to tympanic membrane and transmits vibration to incus, while incus transfers vibration from the malleus to stapes, and stapes connect to the oval window, transmitting sound waves into the inner ear. So the middle ear also contains Eustachian tube, which are connected to the nasopharynx and help equalize ear pressure between the middle ear and external environment, as it is air-filled cavity. Next part of ear anatomy is inner ear, that consists of cochlea, vestibule and semicircular canal. It is responsible for converting mechanical sound waves into electrical signals and maintaining balance. It includes cochlea, that is a spiral-shaped structure containing the organs of Corti, which houses hair cells that detect sound vibration and send signals to the brain through the cochlear nerve. Then it has vestibule that contain the utricle and saccule, which detect linear movements and head position. Next part of the inner ear is semicircular canal. There are three fluid-filled canals that detect rotational movements of the head, aiding in balance. Now let's talk about innervation of ear. Ear receives sensory and motor innervation from several cranial nerves that include vestibulocochlear nerve that transmit auditory and balance signals. The second nerve is facial nerve that also innervates the ear. It controls muscles of middle ear. Next is auriculotemporal nerve, that is a branch of mandibular nerve, and it provides sensation to the external ear. Now let's talk about blood supply of ear. Blood supply of ear is provided by branches of external carotid artery that include the posterior auricular artery, superficial temporal artery and maxillary artery. So these three arteries that are branches of external carotid artery supply the ear. Now let's talk about clinical significance of ear. Common ear disorders include otitis media, that is basically the infection of middle ear often caused by bacteria. Then it also be there tinnitus, that is ringing in the ears due to cochlear damage, and there may be the vertigo, that is dizziness caused by dysfunction in vestibular system. There may be conductive hearing loss, that is basically impaired sound transmission due to the middle ear damage, and maybe sensory neural hearing loss, that is damage to cochlea or auditory nerve. And these are the common ear disorders you need to know. And this was all about ear anatomy. Hopefully you liked the video. If you do, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.